The first thing is you need some KSM to do the staking, right? So if you're already staked, then you could unstake your KSM so that you can use the KSM. The first thing is like actually bring your KSM onto Karura. This uses XCM. So you essentially just like put in how much KSM you want to bring onto Karura and then just hit the transfer. And then this is all handled by XCM trustlessly to bring your KSM across via the XCM bridge. Once you've done that, then you go to liquid staking tab. You should have some balance there. So I've got just tiny little bit. And then all you do is just put in the number of KSM you want to stake, and then switch on the button to say stake LKSM for rewards. Right now, there's a really good program that's going on. The base reward is already 19.92% in KSM. And then there's additional reward. This is actually in stablecoin, right? This is an AUSD stablecoin. So I think in a market like this, a stablecoin is good to hold on to. And also there's no locking for this reward as well. Usually we do loyalty program, but for stablecoin, we have no loyalty, and then you can just like hold on to the stablecoin and then maybe buy more KSM and do staking or do whatever you want with it. So the total combined APY right now is like 40%. And this is single side staking. So it's really good starting point if you don't know what to do elsewhere. And then a bit of explanation here is you see there's a ratio here. So you can see this, if I put 1 KSM, you can actually get 8.7 LKSM. So the whole ratio, this ratio actually represents how many LKSM can trade KSM, right? The ratio starts with 1 to 10 on day 1. As days goes by, as more KSM accrued, essentially, then 1 LKSM can be exchanged to more and more KSM. When you unstake at a certain point, then your LKSM can be exchanged for more KSM because it also includes the principal KSM you put in, like my case is 1, but also the additional KSM I earned from the staking, which is from this 19% APY. And then also the additional AUSD reward will be directly dripping onto your account, like this account that you use for staking direct, right? And then when you unstake here, you can actually choose to unstake, or if you don't, then you just wait for 7 days, right? 7 days and a bit. But you can also choose to unstake instantly, and then it will figure out if there's available KSM. If not, it's going to swap some for you, and then you pay a small fee for the fast redemption liquidity, right? So it doesn't compromise any of the security for Kusama, which is the most important thing there.